Good morning, everyone. I am so happy that you are here. We are in the middle of October. We're getting ready for Halloween. It's spooky season. So today we're going to make orange slime. Teachers and parents, this is an activity that you're going to want to be super hands-on and involved in because we want to make sure that we're being careful with the materials. But it's going to be so much fun and your kiddos are going to love it. All right, the first thing you're going to need is clear school glue. You're also going to need some powdered borax. I always add sparkles because sparkles are life. And one of the secrets to success is warm or hot water. So you're going to want to definitely help the littles with that. It's going to help our borax dissolve really well. So definitely you're going to want to handle the hot water. Okay, so step one, we're going to take a half a cup of glue, clear glue, okay? And I will always let the kids measure whenever it's something that they can do themselves. Now we're gonna do half a cup of water. And this is definitely something that you're gonna wanna, parents, you're gonna wanna do this instead of the kiddos because I don't know if you can see, but there's steam coming off of it. We're gonna add half a cup of water to the glue. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna talk about what we see. So we can see the glue and we can see the water, but it's clear. So we wanna turn it orange. Our color of the month is orange. It's almost Halloween. We're gonna add some orange sparkles. What two colors can we mix to make orange? Does anyone know? Does anyone remember? We know that red and blue together make purple, and blue and yellow make green. Let's try yellow and red and see what we get. And I do like to add a little bit more of the yellow. Let's look what's happening. Look at what's happening. What do you see? You see that? It's very yellow. We've got some yellow, and now let's add a couple drops of red and let's see what happens. You ready to watch? Add a couple drops of red and we're just gonna twirl it around and it gives us a beautiful orange color. Now we're gonna add some sparkles, a little bit of orange glitter. All right, now we're gonna take a spoon and we're gonna mix the glue, the water, the food coloring, and the sparkles all together. Now that we need to make the activator, and making the activator, we're gonna use a half a cup of water. So I have a little measuring cup here and I'm gonna take that warm water and I'm gonna pour in a half a cup of water. And I'm gonna add it to my next container. Just like that. So now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon, little teaspoon, to our half a cup of hot water. Then we're gonna take our clean spoon and we're gonna mix it. And the hot water is going to help our borax dissolve. Dissolve means that it breaks apart and becomes part of the water. You can see it's still a little cloudy, so we're gonna keep on mixing. So here is the secret to get your slime absolute perfect consistency. You're only gonna add the activator a little at a time. I usually do 3 or 4 teaspoons to begin with. And then you're gonna start mixing it together. And you can already see that we're starting to get some slime consistency. Okay, but it's not quite enough. So we're gonna go ahead and add some more. So instead of dumping everything in together, we're gonna go just a tablespoon at a time and continue to mix and mix and mix. And we're definitely getting some good slime, but we have too much liquid left over. So we're gonna do a little bit more. And this is just kind of trial and error. I always still, even though I've made slime so many times, I still always just do a little bit at a time because you never know. All right, we're almost to the perfect consistency. I'm gonna add 2 more spoonfuls. 1, 2. And we have slime. So let's test it out. Ooey gooey. Look at that beautiful sparkly Halloween slime. But it's perfect. It's not sticky. It's got great texture and color. I hope you enjoyed this lesson.